Hello live wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I had a special request from Yuma to make a paperclip infinity ring without using tools. So we're going to start with a regular size paperclip. When you open it up, it becomes a 3 3/4 inches long. The paperclips are quite stiff. So if you don't want to use a paperclip, you can always use 18 gauge copper wire, which is much softer, and cut it about the same size, 3 3/4 inches long. We're just pushing out the kinks with our finger. Of course, if you have tools, you can do this with your flat pliers, but we're just going to push it as straight as we can with our thumb and finger. So now you see it measures 3 3/4 inches long, and now we want to form the infinity sign. So I'm going to bend it a little bit to one side of the center, just into a little bit of a curve, and then curve at the other end. We want this S curve to be centered in the paperclip. If you need some help with the curve, you can use the end of a pen and just push with your thumb on the pen and the paperclip to make that curve a little bit more even. So just keep wiggling it around and adjusting the curve so this S shape is centered. And then from there, we're just going to push the paperclip on a diagonal to form the first loop. And then the other one, we're going to bring the end to the top, to the front, and then just push it to form the other loop. So you'll see it creates a figure 8 shape, and both wires are going to the same side. So just keep adjusting it so it's even, pushing the wires on a diagonal, and there you have the basic shape with the infinity sign. And now I'm just using a Crayola marker. You can use any round form. You can use the end of a nail polish bottle. And we're just going to push it around to curve out the wire to make the ring shape. So now I'm going to take 2 more paper clips, and I'm going to wind one of them around the other to form a tight coil. This is going to be used to help in bending the wire ends that are a little bit hard to bend without help. So now we've made a nice tight coil, and we're going to remove it from the straight paper clip. And this is going to help us to finish off the ring. So this is how it looks. And so now we're going to take our ring, and we want to curve out those ends, which is practically impossible to do by hand. But with this little coil, it's much easier. You just insert the end of the paper clip and just give it a gentle, teeny little bend to curve it out. And that way it'll curve right around the back of your finger, and it won't stick into your finger. So now we're going to do the same here. Just put the end in the coil and give it gentle little bends just to curve it out. Go slowly with this and just do teeny little bends to make a curve. And now we can just push those wires past each other so they'll line up, they'll spring back and line up. Just keep adjusting it until it looks even, and there you have your super cute infinity sign ring made with a paper clip, and you don't need jewelry making tools. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. You can get the templates in my Etsy DIY shop. Be sure to use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase 5 or more templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my shop. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.